You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this girl's name, originally from Turkish, indeed. So we gotta look at the Turkish pronunciation. Ilayda. Ilayda is how it is pronounced in Turkey. Ilayda, so in English, rather similarly, more often than not, it's going to be pronounced as Ilayda, Ilayda. Some may say it as Ilayda. Let us know in the comments how you pronounce it. If you pronounce it Ilayda or Ilayda, it'd be interesting. But the most common pronunciation is going to be Ilayda, Ilayda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.